All right, for today's video, we are going to continue reviewing author's purpose. We've gone over this before, so it's just a review. Here's a little poster we've been focusing on here and there. Author's purpose. Why do they write? They have one of these purposes. Remember, it's easy as pie. So we say that because pie, P-I-E, that's how you spell the word pie, helps us remember author's purpose. P stands for persuade, I stands for inform, E stands for entertain. Persuade. The author tries to persuade readers to agree or to do something. Okay? Inform. The author gives facts and information about a topic. Entertain. The author writes for readers to enjoy. Okay, so how can you figure out the author's purpose when you come across a book? Well, first, look for clues about the genre. Genre is it fiction, nonfiction? What kind of genre is it? Because if it's fiction, the story's made up. The author probably wrote the story to entertain you. And if the story is nonfiction, meaning you're going to be given facts and real information about a topic, then the author probably wrote the story to inform you. So then ask yourself different questions about what you read and find the answers. So what we have here is a little story. I'm going to read it and then we'll talk about it after. We try, we paint. That's the title. Here's a little picture. We see a new room at school. We go to this room to paint. Try to paint. We paint the bus. We like this bus. This bus is great. We paint the school. We like this school. This school is great. We try, we paint. This new room is great. We like to paint at school. Okay? So I'm going to ask you a question and I want you to think about it and then maybe we can talk about it. Why did the author write this text that I just read? What does the author want you to learn from it? So go ahead and take a moment, think about this. If you're at school, you can pause the video. Maybe a teacher can call on a couple of you. If you're at home, pause the video, grab a stuffed animal, share your answer. So you're thinking about the author's purpose right now. All right, why did the author write this text? What does the author want you to learn from it? I think, and if you want to share at school or with a stuffed animal, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to continue. The author wrote this text / story, little story, to entertain the reader. I think the purpose of this story is just to entertain you, okay? Just so you can enjoy it. What did I learn from the story? I learned the kids are excited to paint at school. Did I learn any real information, facts, something about a topic? True? No, I didn't. This story, we learned about these kids and how they were excited to paint at school. So the story was what? Entertain. Let's go back to here. The author writes for readers to enjoy. I just enjoyed this story. I like listening about this little story about the kids painting. Okay, so remember, author's purpose. Why do they write? They write either to persuade, inform, or entertain. Persuade. The author is trying to convince you, the reader, of something. Inform. The author is trying to teach you something new about real information, facts. Entertain. The author writes, just hoping you will enjoy the story. All right, I hope you liked today's little review over author's purpose.